This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa sauce for tacos. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 3 ripe tomatoes, 1 small onion, a bunch of fresh cilantro, and 1 or 2 jalapeños for a nice kick. Don't forget a couple of cloves of garlic, the juice of 1 lime, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. These simple items are the foundation of a delicious homemade salsa. Now, let's get to the preparation. Start by finely dicing your tomatoes, onion, and jalapeños. Remember to remove the seeds from the jalapeno if you prefer less heat. Mince your garlic and chop the cilantro well. Once everything is chopped, combine all these fresh ingredients in a medium-sized bowl. Pour in the juice from 1 lime and sprinkle in about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix it all gently. After combining, it's time to taste and adjust. Take a small spoonful and see if it needs more salt, a bit more lime for brightness, or perhaps another pinch of spice. If you prefer a smoother salsa, you can pulse it a few times in a food processor, but be careful not to overblend. Finally, cover your salsa and let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This resting period allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Your homemade salsa is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect for topping your favorite tacos, adding a fresh kick to burritos, or simply serving as a vibrant dip with tortilla chips. For an extra touch, garnish with a few fresh cilantro sprigs or a thin slice of lime. Any leftover salsa can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, ensuring you can savor its fresh taste later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.